Hello dear students, it's time for maths lecture. So open your textbook, open page number 169, exercise 11.2, open book page number 169, exercise 11.2, chapter 11, time and temperature, exercise 11.2. In today's class we will discuss question number 3. So read question 3 carefully. Question 3 is convert the following into hours and minutes. Convert the following into hours and minutes. Here in this question we will convert the given minutes into hours and minutes. We will convert given minutes into hours and minutes. So we have one hint which I already wrote on the board. What is the hint? Hint is to convert the minutes into hours. Divide the number of minutes by 60. So to convert minutes into hours, what we do? We divide the given number of minutes by 60. Okay, so let us start solving these questions. Question number 8. The given minutes are 162. 162 minutes are given. Our task is to convert these 162 minutes into hours. So we will divide 162 by 60. As divisor is of two digits, so we will choose first two digits of dividend. But here dividend is smaller. 16 is smaller than 60. So now we will take all three digits of the number to divide. Let me write the table of 60 here. Then we will check if any number is smaller than 160 comes, smaller than 162. Is any number which is just smaller than 162? So 120. 120 is just smaller. So in 2 times 62s are 120. Now subtract both the numbers. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so when I divide 162 by 60, my quotient is 2 and remainder is 42. 42 is smaller than 60, so we cannot further divide. So here we will stop our division. 42 is remainder and 2 is quotient. Now the number in the quotient part will be your hour and the number in the remainder part will be your minutes. It was about the rough work. Now how we will actually solve this question? So for solution we will write as the minutes are given here. So we know that 60 minutes as minutes are given here, so we will write about minute. We know that 60 minutes means how many hours? 60 minutes are equal to 1 hour, right? 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore 162 minutes will be equals to 1 when I divide 162 by 60, what I got? I got 2 hours 42 minutes. So we will write 2 hours 42 minutes. 2 hours. We can write small h to denote hour. Take the screenshot of the solution. Take the screenshot and write all the things very systematically in your copy. Now we will solve the next question. Part B, given is 98 minutes. 98 minutes are given. Now our task is to convert 98 minutes into hours and minutes, and to convert minutes into hours, what we do? We divide the given number by 60. So we will write solution. We know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore 98 minutes is equals to 98 divided by which number we will divide 98? We will divide by 60, right? Now in rough work we will divide 98 by 60. Now check, is 98 comes in the table of 60? No, it does not come. So now check, is any smaller than 98? Is any number which is smaller than 98 comes in the table of 60? Yes. In one time 60 comes smaller than 98. So in one time 60 ones are 60. Now subtract both the numbers. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. We cannot further divide because 38 is smaller than 60. So we will stop our division here. Now the number in quotient part will be your hour and number in remainder part will be your minutes. Okay. So when we divide 98 by 60, our result is 1 hour 32 minutes. 1 hour 32 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour 38 minutes. 38 is our remainder. So 1 hour 38 minutes. Take the screenshot. Now next question. Question number C. In question number C, the given task is we need to convert 222 minutes into hours, and to convert into hours, what we do? We divide the given number by 60. So in solution we will write, we know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore 222 minutes is equals to 222 divided by 60. Now in rough work we will divide and we'll get our answer. So arrange 222 and 60 in standard form of division. Okay, we have arranged. Now divide. So in 3 times I am dividing. 60 3s are 180. Now subtract both the numbers. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 8 is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 2. It becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 1 is left. 1 minus 1 is 0. So after division, remainder is 42, which is smaller than division. So we will stop division here. Now the number in quotient, as you know that the number in quotient will be your hour and number in remainder will be your minutes. So when we divide 222 by 60, our result is 3 hours 42 minutes. 3 hours 42 minutes. Now note down the solution or take the screenshot. Three hours 42 minutes is our result. Now next question, that is question number D. Take the screenshot. Now question number D we will solve. Question number D. What is given? 155 minutes. 155 minutes is given. 155 minutes. We will convert these into hours. And to convert minutes into hours, what we do? We divide the given number by 60. So in solution, we will write, we know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore 155 minutes is equals to 155 divided by 60. Right? Now in rough work, divide 155 by 60. First to check the number 155 comes in the table of 60. No, it does not come. Now check the number which is just smaller than 155 in the table of 60. So as I observe, 120 is just smaller than 155. So in 2 times we can divide. 62s are 120. Now subtract both the numbers. Put the minus sign here. Now 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here our remainder is 35. We cannot further divide it because divisor is smaller. Now the number in quotient, here 2 is quotient. So number in quotient part will be our hour and the number in remainder part will be our minutes. Okay. So 155 divided by 60 is equals to 2 hours 35 minutes. Take the screenshot of the solution. Take the screenshot. Now we will solve the next question, that is question number E. Okay, question number E. In question number E, the given minutes are 300 minutes. What is given? 300 minutes are given. Now our task is to convert these 300 minutes into hours. And to convert, by which number we will divide? We will divide by 60. So in right solution, we know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore, 300 minutes will be equals to 300 divided by 60. 300 divided by 60. Now in rough one, we will solve it. We will actually divide 300 by 60. So now check. Does the number 300 comes in the table of 60? Check 300, 300, 300. Yes, it comes in the table of 60. In how many times it comes? In 5 times. 60 5s are 300. Now subtract both the numbers. 300 minus 300. 0 is left. Nothing is left. So our result is 5 hours. So when we divide 300 by 60, our result is 5 hours. Excuse me. If you learn these hints, then very easily you can solve all the questions. Okay, next question. Question number F. In question number F, given number is 840 minutes. 840 minutes, we will convert it into hours. So to convert, we will write, we know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore, 840 minutes is equals to, we will divide 840 by number 60. Now arrange both the numbers in standard form of division. 840 divided by 60 and divide it. So 60 ones are 60. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we will bring down the 0 here. Now in 4 times we can exactly divide it. So 240 minus 240, 0 is left. So in quotient what we get? We get 14. It will be our hours. So when we divide 840 by 60, our result is 14 hours. Okay, take the screenshot of the solution. Okay, I hope you took the screenshot. Now we will perform the next. Question number G. The given minutes are 202 minutes. Now our task is to convert these 202 minutes into hours. So write solution. We know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore, 202 minutes is equals to 200 202 divide by 60. Now what we will do, in rough work we will arrange 202 and 60 in standard form of division. This is the standard form of division. Now we will divide both the numbers. So in 3 times I can divide. 63s are 180. Now subtract both. 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 minus 8 is not possible here. So we will take borrow from these 2. It becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is again 2. Now here only 1 left. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So what will be our remainder? The remainder is 22. Here 22 is our remainder. Remainder means minutes. And 3 is quotient. Quotient means hour. So when we divide 202 by 60, our result is 3 hours 22 minutes. Take the screenshot of the solution. It was the last question for today's lecture. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now the remaining questions will be your homework. Now H, I, J, K and L. All these are your homework. Okay? H, I, J, K, L are your homework part. Today's class is over. We will meet in another lecture with the remaining questions of exercise. Bye bye students.